Word. We're live on the YouTube. We're about to get this going. I can already tell you NQ just by looking at it. Oh no, never mind. That's a 1 minute time frame. It is coming back to 25,177 already. It's about to do that probably fairly quick. It's not really no volume unless it pulls back all the way to 25.15. 15 minute. Alright, let's check it out. I've already looked at Forex Factory. We ain't got nothing today, so what we see is what we get. Oh snap, I ain't even logged in. Hold up. I don't know why I'm logged out for. And I get tired of typing this stuff in. Alright, there we go. Now we're cooking. Isn't this interesting? Just slide this stuff around. Alright, let's see here, what are we looking at? Let's go ahead and clear everything. This up here be the moment of truth. Honestly, it opened. Market opens in 3 minutes. We can see how something plays from there. We are above the VWAP. That would put us at a premium. Of course, we want to look at that discount. Looking at a 15. That would be an interesting zone right there. Be a 15-minute fair value gap. What's good, brother?
Man, got the shade on. It's coming like that this morning, bro.
Every day. These screens be bright.
So's our future, my boy.
That's it.
Shit. What you got going?
I'm doing these markups. NQ, honestly, I just kind of broke it up from the daily. We tapped into our pretty much where all of our selling pressure come in. Market did wicked on the daily, which would have been Friday. It pushed back up. Since market open, it's been dumping. It's starting to wick off the bottom zone at open, which was nothing but liquidity. Technically, on a 4-hour, it never did sweep it. On a 1-hour, it didn't sweep it either, so it made equal lows, which wicked lower. So technically, I guess you could call it a liquidity sweep and not a shift of structure. Now it's pushing back up. If you bust it down to the 1-hour, where selling pressure first come in, and then it consolidated, it broke up, swept the liquidity, started trying to push off our main area off the daily when selling pressure really started coming in, which drove us all the way down to 23,000 from 25 and a half.
Yeah, that dumb fucking Trump announced we're still at war, so everything just dropped like crazy.
So interested to see how it plays up off of up here, off the 1-hour. Then I got a 15-minute fair value gap pulled up as well. So if it does reject, we're playing in premium prices right now. So if it does reject off, it makes sense to continue higher for the day. Back up to at least 25. Honestly, the top of my zone is 25, 4 1/4. That's what I'm looking at on.
Silver, I'm waiting to see it just cross the 20 EMA. I'm waiting to see if it's gonna pump back over this 200.
Gold's definitely looking way more solid just off.
This is recovering way good.
Honestly, I'd probably be looking for shorts on gold.
You think? It's the EMAs are cross.
I'm just going off of just statistics here.
Yeah, 100%.
Gold shifted structure off the open, it come back, it's retesting this bottom since structure was shifted. Our new controlling range would be from 47.95 all the way to 46.48 on a 1-hour. Now, let me actually just start at the daily. So the daily is even bearish at this point. So market structure shifted. Not to say that gold couldn't go back to 5K before it even tries to go lower. But with the daily shift in structure like that, and it's starting to push back down, I would.
We did. I see it daily bearish, but we did sweep liquidity down here twice. See how it plays out. See how it plays out. This market is steady lower.
Hold on, I'm about to see what Abel's got to say.
Because I already took my gold play. But gold and silver are kind of correlated, so that'll give me a good idea.
That area, that 47.20 level. This should be a strong low at this point. All right, this last low swing low that was formed right at the VWAP, and then we had this. Like, I would probably like a correction back down. That 420, yeah, the 420 area is actually not terrible because there's a
Abel's looking at 4.
So yeah, man, I mean,
47,
if gold could give a little bit of a
16.
retracement, that would be nice. We are at a support level, at a structure point previous days.
Yeah,
low,
so
it could
even
just
Abel's
continue to drive higher,
on
but
the
I
same
would need
wave.
to see a pullback before I want to get
Trying to
into
see the pullback before going
so gold
long.
doesn't look too bad either. Gold does not look terrible whatsoever.
Just safe.
For the
Just
buys.
be safe. There ain't no reason to enter in right yet.
Let's see what else we got here. Currencies right now. I'm in GJ. Shout out to GBP JPY. I need to learn a strategy before I get into gold. I hear that gold is definitely, you know, a little bit more value, a little bit more volatility behind it than a lot of currencies. Yeah, you guys want to know the real reason why I stopped trading currencies? Just to be fully honest with y'all. I stopped trading currencies just because it wasn't fast enough for me. It just wasn't fast enough for me, right? Like, that's the big reason why I started to shift. I like volatility, bro. Like I like assets that are gonna move strong. Like even gold. Gold moves. Right? Gold definitely moves. But the Nasdaq moves like crazy. The Dow moves even more than the Nasdaq, right? The Dow is moving 400 or 500 points on a daily basis. The Nasdaq can move 200, 300 points on a daily basis. Gold moves maybe 100 points on a daily basis. Now I do want to put this out there too, right? If you're trading futures, you guys know that each contract is weighed differently depending on what you're trading. Like one contract on gold is not the same value as one contract on the Nasdaq. One contract on the Nasdaq is not equal to the same value as one contract to the S&P or the Dow, right? They're all the contracts are valued differently depending on what you're trading. So that's why even though gold might move a lot less in terms of points per day, the contract value itself can make up for that. So if you're trading futures, obviously it's a little different, but if you're trading Forex, if you're trading CFDs, then yeah, I personally want something a little bit faster, right? Something that can move a lot more aggressively. Now again, that's just me though. That's why I stopped trading currencies. But let's see what we got here, man. Let's see. If we can get a strong push down, maybe something like this for gold, I wouldn't be mad at that at all. I think this could be a solid play for gold.
I ain't been trading on my fucking computer.
We could literally target right for the gap fill. Right to fill the gap. That'll be perfect. Our TP2, our 2 times our risk could be right at the close. Or at the gap itself. That would be nice. So yeah, we'll see if this can happen for gold. That would be nice. I wouldn't be mad at that at all. We are starting to see price pull
NQ,
back
I'm in
into the
alignment this
Nasdaq,
morning
which is
with
nice.
Abel.
Again, I would like for us to pull back. At least
You're
get
pretty
into
much
the
looking at the
15-minute
same
gap
thing
that
I
we have
said.
here.
Looking
And
for the
then from
pullback,
15-minute
just
gap,
see
we
what
can see how
happens
price
off of the
reacts
support
it.
zone, because we pretty
If
much,
we do come into
he's
this
playing
gap and we
his
reject it, and we get a
zone
strong
a lot
push and
smaller
go.
than I am. I got the whole range set up, but pretty much the pullback into the, see how it plays off the fair value gap. Being in a premium, you could have took like a scalp short.
Remember what I said to you guys yesterday, family, right? The reason why it's important to have a proven system, a proven framework that gives you a step-by-step approach is because it removes the guesswork from it.
Alright. Let that beat cut my music back on. The risk would have been a little higher, or if I'd have caught it up a little more. I might have took gold shorts, honestly. It was already out of the zone, though. I think I missed it. I missed that entry probably by like 15 pips. Oh, what all you been into? It's been a if it rejects the 15-minute, then
That's a crazy candle. Yeah, I think it's gonna keep. I think it's gonna go back to where it was for the top. How soon? It's getting weak.
I mean, honestly, NQ could push from where it says where all the volume was. All the volume is is also at 25,117. No, I still got the one pulled up from Trade Debate, where it's got it on the sides. So when you look at the chart, instead of just knowing how much volume is in the candle, it gives you a price point of where all the volume was. Gold got close. Gold might just take off.
That's what I'm thinking. Okay, so we just tapped into the point of control on maps. So yeah, I think it's fine. Just jump the lines and then
What was that, a 5-minute chart?
that was just off the volume profile of that last push up.
Oh no, it's only 8:45.
Yeah, it's just should've got out when he gave it a chance.
Yeah, it's gonna play off down lower.
Yeah, it bounced. Fucking Dilla. Just, 15. Just,
How many pips is that? 16, 40 pips. gold's volatility. That's all she wanted. Either that or she's about to go back to the bottom.
I think that person is what's gonna do is just fucking clear me.
We need gold to let this be liquidity right here. Well, that's my trade for the day. I just beamed gold. I took a position at the bottom. I ended up taking a $5 loss on the first sell I took, and then I banged $1.40. And look at her run. I just cut myself so cheap right there.
Yeah, it's probably gonna fucking fly. I'm not gonna lie. Cause I knew after that dump last night, bro, I'm not even gonna lie to you, I knew everything was gonna just personally. That fucking it swept so much solidity.
That's what that right there was just all about.
Yeah,
She could ping pong though. We never even. This is the first time it's actually breaking into the fair value gap.
Dude, I'm not even gonna lie. I've simplified my strategy so much, dude. I've just been playing off the 20 and 200, man. I've just been fucking killing it, dude. Because, like, I think I was overcomplicating my shit, stressing my damn self out. I've just been fucking. Obviously, I'm still taking up shit into account, but.
I did enter into another trade again. I took gold longs. See if it rejects. And that's all she needed. Yeah, I closed it. Ain't no point in it. It's Monday. NQ's busting it. Yeah, I'm glad I got out. NQ's or gold's gonna push lower. Sit on my hands. It ain't even 9 o'clock yet.
Yeah, we got all the time in the world, Bubba.
I ain't gonna lie, that would have been a cool little 300 though, if I'd have held it. Because when I went to close the first position, I went to close it, it was like negative 40. And then it busted a beat, and I closed it at 5. I'm on AAA, Forex, FX.
What's the leverage?
Up to 500. Able dropped this morning. Hanko just did a crazy update. I might check it out, honestly. As much as I'd like to take NQ, it never even come back to the fair value gap. Which kind of makes me think this is where gold diversifies. 5 seconds, see what this gold 15 is gonna do. NQ is looking sturdy up there.
Yes, let's see.
Yeah, I'm sitting in a gold sale. Did it keep that momentum it just pulled in? Should be kind of nice.
Looks like it's starting to make a hedge. It's bounced off the 200. Yeah, I think it's gonna go down. I'm gonna give it a minute though before I go back in. Should be on the safe side.
I want to see it break down below. This 1 minute can close below 23.4. That would make me feel real good. No, gold. Where it's sitting at now, if it can close down in here, that would be solid. One solid rip from here.
So take these lows, man. Oh my goodness.
I don't know, it's still playing like it wants to reject.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. We'll see it bounce
Reject
off
this
the
fair value gap. I don't know. I'm gonna hold this one. If it comes back to break even, I'll probably get out.
Simply off analysis, it swept the gap that was formed when the city opened. Swept the highs of Asia. I think sheets are coming down. I foresee technicals took Asian and London highs.
I got 50 points on the board. Is what I'm looking at as a stop loss.
This is my worship. This is my offering.
Honestly, I got full risk on the board, so I'm risking like 60, 70 bucks.
I withhold nothing. I'm
Because she's
learning to
playing around
trust
a
you,
1-to-1 right now.
even when I can't see it. And even in
Because
suffering,
my stop loss is at the
I have to
5-minute candle
believe
high.
it. If you say it's wrong, then I'll
I just
say
want to see
no.
this thing quit playing
If
and
you
just
say release,
tap
I'll
into this
let
zone
it go. If you're in
and
it
just
with
go.
me, I'll begin. And when you say to jump, I'm diving in. If you
Yeah,
say
because I'm
be
back to
still,
break
then
even right now.
I will wait. If you say to trust, I will obey. I don't wanna follow my own ways. I'm done chasing feelings. Spirit, lead me. Oh, Spirit, lead me. It felt like a burden, but once I could grasp it, you took me further, further than I was asking. And simply to see you, it's worth it all. My life is an altar. Let your fire fall. If you say it's wrong, then I'll say no. If you say release, I'm letting go. If you're in it with me, I'll begin. And when you say to jump, I'm diving in. If you say be still, then I will wait. If you say to trust, I will obey. Teach me how to follow in your way. I'm done chasing feelings. Spirit, lead me. Oh, yeah. Holy Spirit. Yeah, just sing it out. Oh, Spirit,
Order filled.
lead me.
I just took a stab on NQ as well.
When all hope is gone.
It tapped the highs.
When all hope is gone and your word is all I've got, I have to believe
Probably should have got out of gold a while ago. Still got 3 minutes to see what this 15-minute does.
If you say it's wrong, then I'll say no. If you say release, I'm letting go. If you're in it with me, I'll begin. And when you say to jump, I'm diving in. If you say be still, then I will wait. If you say to trust, I will obey. You're the only truth, the life, the way. I'm done chasing feelings. Spirit, lead me.
I'm playing tighter stop loss now on gold. Oh yeah, that was a good stab on EQ. Off of the gap, I'm up 51 ticks. Now if gold can quit playing and just dump too. Moment of truth, 9:15 candle. How's it gonna close? Come on, NQ's almost at my exit. Gold's trying to flip kind of hard.
Order filled. Order filled.
Yeah, I just got out of NQ. Gold triggered. See if it rejects. Just trying to reject that last. If not, well, it ain't even gonna create a fair value gap, so. Oh, it's not. NQ just crossed. There gold goes. Push hard one time, baby. Break this liquidity. This built up liquidity you've got. If it would just ram through it, gold would have nothing else holding it. Like if gold can get past this zone, gold should go to 4,700. And then the next stop would be 46.90. It's down there. There it goes, now it's getting down there. All the way to BY.
Come on, whatever you're going through, as we sing this, just declare it over your life. Lift your hands, lift your voice. I believe in you. That's right, declare. Come on, every voice, the God who was and is to come. The God who was and is to come. The power of the risen one. The God who brings the dead to life. You're the God of miracles. You're the God of miracles. Sing it.
We're in this 3-minute fair value gap now. 3 minute and 1 minute. I'm out. I'm done for the day.
Yeah, if this stops me, I'll give up.
That was a 1 to 3.
Stop doing something. Just count.
I did 214 this morning.
Hell yeah, bro. Good shit.
And then on the funded we did 330.
Okay. 500 all day. Good shit.
Yeah, and NQ just flipped. And gold, I don't know. I didn't want to hang around to see.
If it stops me, I'll see.
I mean, it come down, it's playing, and gold's playing. I mean, honestly, it's rejecting this 15 minute is what it looks like. 5 minute fair value gap. That's what it's playing off of right now, and it's rejecting the 5 minute. 5 minute is also a 3 minute fair value gap, and it is also, I mean, I guess you could say it's a fair value gap as well on the 1 minute. I just took another sell on gold. Not gonna lie. Playing in this zone like it is, if it does reject it, it could go back to VWAP. It's a 1 to 1.
Yes, yes. Go, come on.
I completely missed that wick. Dang, I can't get back in that either. I did take that push back up though, as a sell. Yeah, I'm done for today. I'm gonna have to delete MetaTrader. Guys, I'm sick of scalping. I'm playing off this 1 minute, bro. Look at this. It better smack this 1 to 1. It's going. Nah, it might not. I was in that trade when that big wig just come in. Yeah, 238 in the day. Yeah, nah. And then NQ is about to sell off again too. It's back to the 1 minute structure. It's back on the 3 minute liquidity. 5 minute. Yeah, see, my mind's cooked right now. Because I didn't trade it too much. I took 7 gold trades. Only 2 of them were legit trades. One I got in early that I closed for negative 510. I let the one play out for 142. Then I took a buy and got out. It was only $2. And then I actually took a sell for 74 when it made that push down a while ago. And then I took 2 little stabs and I got out because I know I'm overtrading. And then I took the last one off the 1 minute. So 3 trades of that was actually valid. And scalping isn't valid. That goes against my trading rules. No, I mean scalping is cool, but like it's a whole different style of trade. Of course, you know that. I used to scalp during London sesh. Scalp pre-market. I don't know. I'm getting off the charts, chat. Lock my accounts. That's what I be doing for real. I wonder if MT4 on desktop has a account lock. Let me ask ChatGPT. Yeah, all in all, good day.